How to fix QR code scanner not working in Samsung S26 Ultra. First of all, software update. Now open settings. Scroll down, click on software updates, click on download and install. Now click on install or update. After click on install or update, your mobile software will be updated from your phone. After that, on off scan QR code. Now go back, open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings. Here you will see scan QR codes, and if you want to turn on scan QR codes, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off scan QR codes, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off scan QR code. Now go back. After that, clear cache. Now open settings, scroll down, open apps, search camera, click on camera, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. Now click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache. Now go back. After that, for stop camera. Again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera. Here you will see for stop option. And if you want to force stop cam, then click on force stop. Click on OK. After click on OK, camera force stop from your phone. This is how you can fix the QR code scanner not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.